In composition today, we are going to learn a new topic, and the name of the topic is reordering of sentences. To understand this topic better, let us learn the keywords and the hints to identify the first sentence. Students, if you follow the given guidelines and instructions given, you will be able to identify the sentences and arrange them in the correct order.
Ordering sentences, keywords, hints. Let me listen to the teacher carefully so that I understand the topic better.
To rearrange the sentences in the correct order, first we need to read the sentence. After we read the sentence that are given, we need to understand what the sentence tries to tell us. Once we understand the content of the sentences, we need to sequence them or reorder the given sentences. That is, we have to write it in the correct order in the boxes that are provided after the sentence. When you finish reordering all the given sentences in the correct order, then you have to rewrite all the given sentences that are corrected and written in the correct order in the space provided below. Hence, to identify the first sentence. Students, from the given sentences, if you have to identify and know which will be the first sentence or which is the sentence that you have to reorder as one. These hints will give you a guidelines to identify the given sentences and arrange them in the correct order. You can either see that a sentence starts with either a noun or words like most, over, or once. Those type of sentences will be the first sentence. Or it can also start with a universal fact. For example, the sun rises in the east, the moon shines at night, or the sunflower faces the sun. Or it can also start with an incident. During the picnic at an accident spot. In example 1, rearrange the sentence and rewrite in the correct order. Students, there are 4 sentences that are given. You have to identify which is the correct sentence, that is, which will be the first sentence. You have to arrange. So, from the given hints that were provided earlier in the explanation, you have understood that the starting of the sentence can either be a noun, an incident, or a universal fact. But from this given sentences, we can identify a noun. So we choose the second sentence, Susan. Susan wanted to learn to play the piano. This is the most appropriate sentence from all the 4 sentences given. So we will put number 1 in the box that is provided. The next sentence we will choose as her mother arranged for her to go for the piano class. This will put it as number 2 in the box that is provided. The third sentence, she hoped she would be able to play like a teacher. This was her wish. This will put as the third sentence. And the fourth sentence is, mother encouraged her a lot. The teacher appreciated her and she practiced and played well. So this will be the fourth sentence. When you write the correct number in the box that is provided at the end of the sentence, Then you will rearrange and rewrite the sentences in the correct order in the space that is provided below. This is one example of rearranging the sentences in the correct order. In example 2, you will learn to rearrange the sentence in the correct order and just number the correct order of the sentences in the box that is provided at the end of the sentence. The first sentence will be once. Once there lived a rich farmer. You will put number 1 in the box. The second one, which is most appropriate, is he had 2 sons. Okay, because first we are talking about the farmer and then we are saying that he had 2 sons. This will be the second sentence. The third sentence will be he was proud of them. And the fourth sentence will be they lived happily together. So these are the rearranged sentences. Okay, students, this is example 2 of reordering by numbering the correct order of the sentences in the correct order in the box that is provided. Click the link to understand the topic. Read and arrange the sentences in the correct order. Students, refer to the PDF and complete the notes in the composition notebook. The same example 1 and example 2 that is there in the video is given in the PDF. Complete the same in the composition notebook. Students, put your thinking caps on and do not forget to read, understand, sequence or reorder, and remember the hints to identify the first sentence and rearrange all the sentences in the correct order. I hope you all have understood this topic well.